Yeah, what's it mean? So you're going to pay for is the only channel because I'm into the foundation market. If you end up with to suspect you will like me. And that touching notification. So each time I post a video like this, YouTube can easily get you notification and YouTube also will direct you to school by new to this video. We all know that about the weekly chart analysis breakdown. It was about the price action, the trade during the weeks, and how the trade our stop loss was it so forth. So 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 that is where we do the weekly chart analysis breakdown. So without wasting much of your time, not wasting much of the time. So you know, I mainly trade three pairs: Euro USD, SA USD, GBP USD. So those are the main pair I focus on and I trade on. Why do I trade on those pair? Is because I don't need hundreds of pair or a bunch of difference of pair and I'll be losing opportunity because I try many to treat many pairs sometimes is the ones I just do analysis I left and I still do not serious way. The one that give me good profit and the one that so very good, I did not eating losses. So that's why I decided to trade just three major pair, which are the GBP USD, the Euro USD, and the SA USD. GBP USD means Great British Pound US dollar. Euro USD means EU means Euro US dollar as USD means gold against the United States dollar. So there is to American fans. I want to say a big shout out and a big congratulations in making sure Donald Trump winning the election. We all can see the market and we all can know the impact of Donald J. Trump. So I'm not trying to invade your election, but I'm just trying to say thank you for making the best decision. So last week we could not drop the weekly chart analysis based on my health condition was sick and I was diagnosed with malaria. So a big shout out to God makes everything possible. So close to this time, you guys know that the first thing every first Monday morning is we go to this 4 hour time frame. What do we go to this 4 hour time frame to do? We go to 4 hour time frame to determine our high and the low. 4 hour time frame, it helps us determine the overall trend of the market for the week. Either we'll be expecting more of buy or we'll be expecting more of there. Using the horizontal rate to determine the first candle that prints for that week and the second candle that prints for that week. How do we determine this first candle, this first and second candle that prints for the week? Is number one, we go to the 4 hour time frame. Number two, we go to the section break to determine the tangle on the section break. And number three, we use the first and second candle. If the first candle is higher than the second candle, we put it in high. If the second candle is high, put it in high, put the first at the low. So that is how we have been doing it for a very long period of time now as an experience. So that is what it is to do the sheet. So let's go. So don't too much of time. You can see the water market. This is the EU. So if I should turn on the section break, if I return on the section break, you will see that this was the first candle I put for the week. This was the second candle. The second candle was higher than the first, so I put the horizontal area at the high. I put this one at the low. So this will tell you that immediately the third candle breaks below this low of the week. I'm anticipating more of sell for that week. So I will majorly be determining sell for the week. So that is how it is. So after I go to the forward time frame, as a day trader, you have to do your major top-down analysis. What are top-down analysis? It determines the trend from the daily, the 4 hour, the 1 hour, then you come to the 15 minutes to take your entry. So as a day trader, I take my analysis from the 4 hour, 1 hour, then I took my entry from the 15 minutes. So then immediately it breaks below the weeks, immediately we saw this. Then this trend line, if you understand impulsive and correction, yeah, since after the election, the trend has been trending bearish, so it has been going down. So I use this trend line to mark this correction. So immediately I saw this correction here, and I saw this bullish engulfing candle here, I sold. Please, if you're not trading with us on the Telegram channel, please, I guess I will say you're missing a lot because you're doing the loss work for a Telegram channel. So if you're not doing anything, if you're not trading with us, I will see you're missing a lot. you're missing you're missing a lot, guys. You're missing a lot. You're missing a lot. You're missing. Let's not forget to use the link on comment section to join it. That's where that is how and where we determine the overall power of the trade. So we use our eye of the week here. Immediately we saw the way so immediately so we take our 1 to 2 or close out for the market. So this was what I was saying. This there must be correction. So immediately there is this correction. This was on Tuesday. Okay, Monday. This was Tuesday. Listen, there was this correction. I draw this trend line. This trend line helped me to mark out the zone, the correction in the chart. So immediately I saw this immediate breakout. It retested with this bullish candle. Then I took an entry, sent the signal. First thing is, before I took signal, there are a lot of people I'm leading, the Instagram story or on my Snap or a Telegram. So you see, we are on Twitter. So we send it straight to them to take advantage. So you can be learning under me and still be making profit just for free of charge. So you can learn under me and still be making some profit. We send this out to them. So I can remember this was CPI. So this was CPI on Wednesday. So what is CPI? What is CPI? CPI is a consumer price index. In the United States of America, their data shows the index of the consumer, how the people consume goods and services being linked to them. So those charts are being released and it affects the market. So immediately, and it's very volatile. Okay. So immediately we saw this, immediately push out, and this was a psychological level of 1 to 6 4 0 0. Something. So immediately breaks out this, immediately you test this psychological level, like, I have to sell. And I sell massively and the trade could drop. Immediately we saw this bearish, this week down, hit my TP. Boom. Yeah, up, we close out. So then when I saw this today was a big challenge here because the chart could not give me direct impossible. So I now use this trade line to determine because I will be looking for two conferences either to take it or not. Even though I ended up hitting a stop loss, I still know that I will be my conferences. Then I have to redefine my strategy or redefine my entry strategy if there is anywhere I went wrong. So immediately with this, I took an entry. We ended up eating TP. So you could see that during the week, we only end up getting one loss on EU. So, and the rest was we ended up taking profit. So let me take you to USD because I don't want this video to be long enough today. So there's a USD, the same strategy, the same thing. We go to the forward time frame to determine why I will look by permanent section break. I will come to a 1 hour to determine the trend and we go to 15 minutes to take an entry. So you know what the psychological level because they also they give me confidence is immediately the first trade hits my Excel. Immediately the first trade hits immediately the first trade hits my Excel. Yeah. So I was wow. So immediately it's my ex, I was wow, okay. And the chart just pull up to this, and the chart just pull up to this zone, this psychological level. Then I have to sell, ma I have to sell massively. So that was how I ended up selling this as a USD victory. So because maybe I saw, okay, let me go to the 15 minutes time frame. So so that was how we ended up taking our first trade, yeah. Which ended up eating the first one eat our SL. Then the trade keep tagging. Already we have closed out in profit because we make the loss, we make the one we lose, and we ended up taking profit. So immediately the tag dropped. This was on Tuesday. So this was on New York section. So immediately the trade drop, then this support acting as resistance, I have to draw mark at this zone. Then immediately come to this zone, I saw this weak rejection, and there was something like an M pattern there. So you can see there was something like first this morning and evening star, then it weeks up. Then immediately the second leg, I strike my head and I took some massive sell. So that was our win. So immediately we come here, we come here. I was expecting price to come to this zone. Why was I expecting price? Number one, I was expecting price because I wanted it to meet two of my conferences to retest this trend and it's come from the far distance and this psychological level. So I could take a massive entry because you know that meeting your two criteria can make it more easier than meeting another criteria. So that is how it is. The minimum countries they will take some massive loss on SUSD. Then price come to this zone after the CPI. So it was retesting. Then I'm just trying to make everything easy for me. I just mark out my support and resistance zone. So immediately come to this zone, I bought. Then there was this consolidation. Come to this zone, I sold. You can see that's why I never closed my chart. So the last trade of Friday was this. So when it come to this zone, so after the news, then I ended up closing out some of the trade. Then that was how our week went. Trading as in US. Let's go to US dollar. So let's go to GBP US, which is the last one. So same thing. We go to the 4 hour time frame. We go to the 4 hour time frame to determine our high and our low of the week. Then we come to our 1 hour time frame to determine the overall trend. Then we go to our 15 time minutes time frame to determine our entry strategy. So let's just go to 15 minutes time frame. So immediately come to this zone, we took a sell. So I was waiting for price. I was waiting for price to come to this trend line so I could say not. Then I did not do anything. I only leave it. So you can see there's one thing you have to understand is anywhere you see boss, I do trade there. So this was I saw something like this M pattern there. So two things I was expecting this trade was is either it come to this zone because if you come to this one, I'm going to increase my loss size because it's a confirmation for itself. So when I saw this impact, I just reduce my loss size. Then I start entry. But I still get my higher because I was not on with I was not risking a lot because if we come to this zone, we'll be taking more action with trade. So then this was a correction move. Immediately I joined this trade, I retested it. You can see this was a still CPI. I took my advantage. Mainly got the reason. Really got the reason. I snap out of the trade. That is a little profit. So you could see here, this was the same thing. Support that now resistance. So I took this and I got my 1 to 1 ratio. So I closed. So immediately I closed at the price flash up to this zone. Then I added up, ending up with massive big loss size. Lamborghini loss size according to Jeffrey Benson. So I ended up taking this trade on the Lamborghini loss size. Then that was how it is. So this was the last trade for the week. Immediately we saw this two support double top or M pattern or head and shoulder pattern. Extract my entry. This was how our week went trading Euro USD, SAUSD, and GBP USD. So let me quickly give you a quick recap. So let's do a quick recap. Let's do a quick recap. I Hello, red line, psychological level, which psychological level, top-down top-down analysis, support and resistance, support and resistance. All right. So let's quick do a quick recap. A quick recap here. Number one, we talk about the high and low of the week, which is when we go to time 4 hour time frame to determine the high and low for the week. Number two, we did trend line as a confluence to determine to either to took an entry or not to took an entry. Number three, the psychological level, those blue lines, those straight vertical horizontal lines, the blue, pink, and red ones stand for the psychological level, while the black ones stand for the horizontal way I used to mark out my high and low of the week. I talk about the top analysis. Top analysis is determining your time from the 4 hour, either from the daily, the 4 hour, the 1 hour, the 15 minutes. You do your analysis from the top to the down to the lowest one you will be taking an entries. So that gives you more insight, more confidence about the market and about what you want to do for the market. Then you have the support and resistance. Support and resistance just if is support and resistance is when a trade is manipulates like it get like a trade is going up, it come to this zone, it come down, it come to this zone, it come down. You mark out the zone. Immediately go to that zone, either you enter using weak rejection or you put pending orders. So that's how support and resistance do. I talk about the impulsive and correction. Correct impulsive is let me say for instance, there's no how trade will be like let me say for instance, there's no how trade will be trending that there will be correction. There will be correction for other people to enter. So let me say, for instance, if the market just buy, there will still be a time when it will come for a medium, a little sell, then before the spike happen. So that is how trading with Pro Academy make trading easy for you. So please don't forget to join us sometime today. And we are doing a shout out. So it's December, so we'll be doing free training to as many that we join. So let's keep creating the professional to the financial market. Peace out. I can't wait to see you. Shout out to Square.